Rolls-Royce has unveiled their stunning new model, the Phantom Scintilla, at the Quail during Monterey Car Week.
This bespoke vehicle features a striking two-tone paint job in Andalusian white and Thracian blue, with a unique double pinstripe.
The hood emblem pays homage to the ancient Greek sculpture, the Winged Victory of Samothrace, crafted from ceramic.
Inside, the car boasts an extraordinary interior, with a starlight headliner, intricate embroidery totaling 633,000 stitches, and a celestial pulsed dashboard art piece made of aluminum ribbons. Limited to just 10 units, all of which are already sold, the Phantom Scintilla is set to be one of the most exclusive and expensive Phantoms in North America.